You may have heard people talking about the April 1st United States Census and wonder what it's all about. The census is a count of everyone currently living in the country. It happens once every decade, and it's at the heart of how Fairfax County serves our residents. The census helps determine how much funding Fairfax County receives from the $675 billion that the federal government allocates each year to improve transportation, provide education, healthcare, affordable housing, and prepare for emergencies. For each resident who does not respond to the census, Fairfax County could lose $12,000 in potential funding over the next 10 years. Imagine if one family of 4 doesn't reply, or 10 families of 4. The amount of lost resources for our community could really add up. The census helps Fairfax County decide where resources go based on where people live, including schools, roads, firehouses, police stations, and clinics. It establishes how many representatives we send to Richmond and Washington, D.C. to advocate for our community. You can have a big impact by completing the 2020 census. The U.S. Census Bureau will mail every household an invitation in March to complete a simple questionnaire about who lives at your address on April 1st. You can respond online, by phone, or by mail. The form will ask for names, age, sex, race, and the relation of everyone living in your household. To ensure a complete and accurate count, census takers visit residents who do not respond. Federal law keeps those responses safe, secure, and confidential. Your name and address cannot be shared with law enforcement, immigration enforcement, or any other government agency under any circumstance. The information is only used to create accurate statistics about the nation's people, places, and economy to help serve our community. In Fairfax County, we believe everyone counts, no matter how young, how old, or your immigration status. If you live here, we want you to be counted. Visit fairfaxcounty.gov/topics/census to learn more, and remember, in Fairfax County, everyone counts.